I love everything about Tumwater. You've got the most incredible parks, and I love my vista. We can do what we need to do to help our planet. We want to keep our energy consumption down as our bills were getting higher and higher. Our furnace was already approaching 28 years. I looked into heat pumps, and they were definitely out of our price range. I saw the email about Energize Thurston programs and heat pumps. We went to the meeting, we signed up for the program, and we heard back that we were approved. And then the scheduling came after that, and it was so simple. It's using less energy, and it's giving you more comfort in your home. The air circulation has been more consistent throughout every part of our home. Energize Thurston, it is one of the best things I've ever heard of. I'm proud to be a part of a movement to help our planet.